Good evening, children. Here we are with another general knowledge class as we are doing unit number 6, that is sports and games. So this is the third part of this chapter starting from the page number 90. Okay, so let's begin. Yes, before that, first we will see the assignment question and answer which I have given you the last week. The first question was that I have given, that was the easiest one, that is the name the smallest ocean. So it is Arctic Ocean. Which is the first Asian country to orbit Mars? So it is India, our country India. Which river crosses the equator twice? So it is river Congo. Then which country is the largest producer of coffee? None other than Brazil. Then last question was, what is the common name of sodium bicarbonate? So the answer is baking soda. You all know these things. So these are the assignment answers. Now moving further with the another what topics that we are going to do today is adventure sports, the carom connection, basketball is the best, and international stadiums. These we will be discussing today. Let's begin with adventure sports. See, everyone like to have adventure in their life. No, it is this adventure sports provide mental stimulation as well as the physical thrill. The thrilling sports have become immensely popular these days. So these are the pictures. The first one is, you all know, on the river, that is river rafting. Next is scuba diving. Inside the ocean they are just observing these things, scuba diving. Then rock climbing or mountaineering, that is rock climbing. Then fourth one is paragliding. Fifth one is high jumping. Sixth is bungee jumping. Seventh is rappelling. Eighth is micro light flying. On that means you can see this is what vehicle kind of, and that is this micro light flying. Then it's trekking, and last one is none other than hot air ballooning. So this, do you know, it is given like trekking, walking, jogging, jeep safaris, etc. are known as soft adventures as they involve less risk. Okay, so they are also adventurous but they involve less risk. These are sixth one, seventh one. Sixth is high jump. Fifth is high jumping. Sixth is bungee jumping. Seventh is rappelling. Eighth is micro light flying. Ninth is trekking, and tenth is hot air ballooning. Now come to the next page, page number 92. That is what the carom connection. Carom, I think everyone, it is very popular game and everyone used to play at their home. No, it is a very common game also. So it's very popular indoor game which can be played by 2 or 4 players. The carom board is made up of plywood and is a square with 29 inches dimensions. The dimension also mentioned, it's 29 inches dimension. Now this is the picture given and these are the things like what is the first one. So see the numbers written, you have to identify what we call them. Okay, the first we play that we know, but what is the exact term for it? The first one is corner pockets. Second one is the board, this is the carom board. Third is the baseline where you kept the striker, no, so it is the baseline. Then fourth one is net. Fifth is center circle. Sixth one is that red color disc, that is known as queen. Seventh is black and white discs. Eighth is the arrow. Okay, so these are the things through which we can play this very popular game, carom. Now B question given, that is fill in the blanks with correct answers after reading the facts. The first is the total number of discs on carom board are 19. Okay, 9 there are white, 9 there are black, and then 1 that is red one, that is 19. The most popular piece is what? It is the queen. For that only we are playing that one, queen. The third, an important at taking a disc is called shot. What we take, no, to taking any of the disc, that is known as shot. Fourth, the powder used to enable pieces to slide easily, that we just spread on the carom board, no, it is known as boric powder. Fifth, the white big disc usually made of ivory is called the striker, from which we just play, that is known as striker. In the Do You Know, it is said like carom is said to have started in India and then spread to Nepal, Pakistan and Bangladesh. International Carom Federation ICF is governing body for carom with its headquarters in Germany. Now next game is about the basketball. So basketball is the best. Basketball is the world's most popular and widely watched sport. It is enjoyed by one and all. These are some statements given related to it. You have to identify again here what it is. The basketball court is given. Identify what are the lines, what is called as the terms used for. First, it started with the number of teams in basketball are 2. It is played between 2 teams. Okay, each team has 5 members each. Then the person responsible for judging the team is called umpire. D. The basketball has to be shot through the basket. E. Bouncing the ball while running is known as dribbling. Those who used to play, they know these things. Unnecessary physical contact during the match may be called as foul. It's unnecessary, so it is known as foul. Now B, C, just take a look on the basketball court. What is said like number 1 is mid-court line. Then number 2 is free throw line. Number 3 is point line. Fourth one is center circle. Fifth one is basket. Sixth one is mid court line. Seventh one is the baseline given, and eighth one is the sideline. So these is what these are the means lines and the places on a basketball court, the term for it. Now do you know it is given FIBA, FIBA, Federation of International Basketball Association is the highest governing body for this sport. It was formed in 1932 and is located in Massachusetts in USA. Now next and the last topic for today, that is what international stadium. Here are the name of some world famous stadiums which are always in news. They are world class sports ground for spectators of various tournaments. Match them of the country's name with the stadiums. Okay, starting with the first, Rongnado May Day Stadium. So it is located in Pyongyang, North Korea. Second is Salt Lake Stadium, very common. It is in our Kolkata, India. Third, Beaver Stadium, the big house. It is in Pennsylvania, USA. Fourth is Michigan Stadium in Michigan, USA. Fifth one is Camp Nou Stadium, biggest stadium in Europe. It is Barcelona, Spain. Sixth is Wembley Stadium, second largest in Europe, is in London, UK. Seventh, Soccer City Stadium, largest in Africa. So it is in Johannesburg, South Africa. Eighth, Melbourne Cricket Stadium is in Melbourne, Australia. Ninth, Galle International Stadium is in Galle, Sri Lanka. 10th is Beijing National Stadium is in Beijing, China. The picture is also given, you can see. Do you know it is given like Rongnado May Day Stadium has the largest seating capacity of 1,50,000, followed by Salt Lake which have 1,20,000, and Michigan Stadium 1,09,000 capacity to sit, means the audience can sit there. These stadiums mostly hold soccer tournaments. Now time for assignment questions. The first question is, which African country is very famous for chocolate? Second, who was the first president of United States? Third, which continent has the highest population density? Continent, okay. Then fourth, by which process does the exact water in plants get released? And the last one is morning dew. Morning dew is an example of which process of water cycle? So now it's your work starts. Write down the answers of GK in your GK book and then note down these assignment questions in the GK copy. Find out the answers, and yes, remember these, well, while the examination, these assignment questions will also come, so don't take it lightly, no, take it seriously that you have to write all the assignment questions together in the GK copy, so that during the examination it will not be difficult for you to just be recalling all of them, as along with the GK book question answer means the exercise also, these assignment question also may come. Okay, so okay, thank you children, have a nice day.